Hello guys, welcome to i-tutor. We will discuss the next next methods of teaching methodology. We saw earlier some methods and some of them are left. So today we will cover that and also some topic also left in this methodology that will cover upcoming videos also. So be tuned. Okay, we will let's start and the next method is tutorial method. Hope you remember all other methods before we just covered. Just go through previous videos, then you will get that link. Okay, today we will start with the tutorial method. What is tutorial method? A method of instruction in which an instructor works directly with an individual student to reach highly complicated skills, operations involving danger or expensive equipments. Okay, and to provide individualized remedial assistance. That is tutorial method. That is separate classes for 2 or 3 students. For even in art subjects also, science subjects also, tutorials are there. Okay, what is the use of this method? It permits adaptive instruction, stimulates active participation, and promotes safety. Because even in few students tutorial, they feel comfortable maybe to discuss their doubts and problems with the teachers or faculties. So that is feel safety method, and it promotes safety. Okay, and disadvantages are required highly competent instructor. Okay, I need good instructor को चाहिए उसमें and demand time and money also. So because after the class they are arranging the tutorials for few students in each day or timetable जैसे they will arrange. So need time also, need separate money for the tutor also, right? And next is seminar method. Okay, and tutorial method. Next is seminar method. A tutorial arrangement involving the instructor and the groups rather than instructor and individual. Right? What is tutorial arrangements involving the instructor and the groups rather than instructor and individuals? It to provide general guidance for a group working on a advanced study or research project. So everyone knows seminars. We all are attending the seminars in till your MS time. You all know what is a seminar, right? To exchange information or technique use and approaches being explored by a member of a study or research group. It develop new and imaginative solutions to problems under study by the groups. And the uses or advantages are this method is to provide motivation and report and stimulates active participation and permits adaptive instruction. And disadvantages are it required highly competent instructor and poses evaluation problem and is more costly and most other methods. And next one is demonstration method. Okay, please remember these methods and their advantages, disadvantages. You can expect one question from this teaching methodology. Okay, and a method of instruction where the instructed by actually performing an operation or doing a job shows the students what to do and how to do it, and through explanation bring out why, where, and when it is done. That is demonstration method. It's the instruction where instructed by actually performing an operation or doing a job shows the students what to do, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, and through their explanation bring about why this and क्यों करना है and where and कहाँ पे करना है and when, what time, and time also showing it's done. Okay, right. And to teach manipulative operations or procedures, to teach troubleshooting, to illustrate principles, to teach operations or functioning of equipments, and to teach teamwork also, and also make a framework too, and set standards of workmanship, and to teach safety procedures like that. That is a demonstration method. पूरा टॉपिक को वो demonstration में देते हैं, क्यों, कैसे, what time, and these all things, how to do, what to do, and etc. like that. Okay, and the usage is minimize damage and waste, because सब कुछ वो demonstrate करके पहले ही देते हैं, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, what time करना है, like that. And it save time also, can be presented to large groups and enable learning, evaluation. And disadvantages are required careful preparation and rehearsal, and requires special classroom arrangements, required tool and equipment, requires more instructors. And details of few other teaching techniques. One is brainstorming. What is brainstorming? It's a more interesting method, more informative, it's gain knowledge, learning is effective, more participation of students give their opinion, active learning, creative thinking is encouraged, students think beyond their knowledge, everyone get the chance to express their thoughts, simple topic can be learned from the different angles. Brainstorming is such a simple thing. As a civil servants, aspirants are doing this brainstorming. If you get, suppose if you get one topic, right, just write down in your mind what related that topic, whatever you know about that topic, maybe some words, some maybe examples are there, you just write down related to that topic. That is brainstorming. jaldi se kya aa raha hai aapka mind mein, that is the thing, that is brainstorming. You just write it out or you just explain to others also. That is it's a more interesting method. Okay. And second one is role play. What is role play? It's interesting method also. It's a creative thinking is encouraged. More role play means वो more topic के बारे में सोचने का time मिल रहा है. They students think beyond their knowledge and maybe imaginative भी होगा, right? The beyond knowledge के ऊपर they are thinking maybe ऐसे हो सकते हैं, ऐसे होगा वो think, right? And students enjoy the situation. Active learning is there, easy to learn. That's the role play. And case study, active learning and it is creative thinking is encouraged, students think beyond their knowledge too. And offline versus online. Nowadays offline classes and online classes are more. Last 1 year से online classes are ज़्यादा है. So offline versus online का क्या है? Difference between online learning and offline learning. The main difference between online and offline learning is location, right? In offline learning you are in a classroom, particular education institution is there, you are attending classes are there and direct classes is there. That is the, and in offline online classes you can attend from your, when you are doing some job, otherwise you from your home you can attend the classes through online mode, right? With online learning participants are required to travel to with offline learning participants are required to travel to the training location, typically a lecture hall, college or classroom, right? With online learning on the other hand, the training can be conducted from practically anywhere in the world and participants simply need to log on to the internet from their home, work or even their local coffee shop, right? Everyone know it's offline. What is offline and online classes nowadays? It's practically all students from first standard, even in LKG UKG students are doing the online classes and their parents also are helping them, right? And another difference is flexibility offered. Online learning usually has more flexible time scale. And as a trainer you can offer your support via email and through an online chat system. And with offline learning it is typically carried out between office hours and doesn't offer as much as flexibility to the learner or the trainer, because timing is not a problem, right? If after 5 o'clock also you can take the classes, even you miss the class in the morning, right? That's the online method. But in offline there is a flexible time, 9 to 5 or something, the institution timing you need to follow. Okay, and what are the benefit of online versus offline learning? Although online learning has become the preferred method for the majority of learners, it is important not to dismiss the benefit of offline training too. With online training courses, you and the course attendees benefit from the more casual, flexible approach, and being unrestricted in the regard to location and time means every learner can benefit from the courses. In higher education system it is maybe better online system, but in small classes and schools are, it's not working that much way because their behavior also depend on the education, right? With offline learning it is easier to ensure attendees are paying attention to the training, and some learners also find it easier to retain the knowledge and skills they have learned through offline training than they do with the online training, right? And as there are benefits to both learning options, it makes sense to offer a combined online and offline learning approaches as trainer. That's right. And online offline approaches you can parallelly if you are using, that is good for the learner also, that is for the trainer also. And these are the methods. And now we left for in this teaching methodology examples of Swayam Prabha, MOOCs and Swayam, etc. That is the digital learning systems. So that will cover in next videos. Okay, just follow it, and if you have any doubts, you just put it on the comment box. Thank you.